Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a haul video in a very long time and I wanted to share with you what I found. I didn't find too much, but I did find some stuff at Daiso and Michaels. So I haven't been to Daiso in a very long time. I found some stuff that I have not seen, but then again, I haven't really watched any haul videos. Anyway, so this was one of the first items that I got from Daiso. Now, let me share with you. The first thing that I thought of when I saw this was slim cards. And you know that a lot of people have been making them. So this measures about, you can see it's about 8 3/4. And the width is about 4 1/4, as you can see, about 4 1/4. So this is a really nice size to display your slim cards. Now it can be horizontal or vertical, so even though it has these two little stands, but you know, it shows you right here, you can display it like this. Well, you can display it like this, standing up, or the long way, which would be like that. And it's really neat. Now I do have a slim card, but it's not going to fit in here because obviously it's not super wide. But what you do is, here is the box. It's an acrylic box. You just open it, and this is a typical standard size slim card, and you can see that it does fit in there. Of course, if it didn't have the stuff, that was, you know, it's obviously bigger than the actual card, but it would have fit in there. And how cool would this look if you added sequins or some of those little like snowballs in there? I thought that would look so neat displayed in there. And it's not going to close because this card is very dimensional, but I thought these were really cute for that. I think it would be awesome just to add sequins in there and add your personal card. So I got this one. And then they also had this other size, and I believe this is about 6.5 by 6.5. Let me double check. So this is about, oh, it's almost 7. So it's about 6 7/8 by 6 7/8. So I would make a 6.5 by 6.5 cute little display on this, and these are so cute, you guys. And if you know Daiso, almost everything is $1.50. I also got these molds. Now I've been seeing a lot of donuts, and there is this lady on Instagram, I think it's like Pink Tree or Pink Hutch, something pink. She made these donuts made out of clay, and she had like this really quick tutorial on how to make them. And hers came out so perfect, you guys. They all look exactly the same. So here are mine. I still have to like dress them up and stuff. But I thought, why not use a mold and use this? And I think this would be perfect. So I grabbed that one. And then they also had this one, the ice cream one. I think it's so cute. So hopefully I do work with that. So that means I need to get more clay. And I also got this. Now I've always seen this at Daiso and I want to try it out. I mean, it's only $1.50. If I don't like it, I don't like it. And then they also had the donut one, which is a little bit bigger than this one, as you can see. And it's, oh, bigger than the ones that I made by hand. Then they also had these. Okay, so you've all seen these, right? But then they had these, and I thought these were so cute. And look at the colors. I absolutely love these colors. They only had them in the mixed, which is like the variety size. Because if you find these, they'll have them by size: 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters. And I think there's a 4 centimeter also. Different sizes, but this one is mixed. And I thought it was kind of cute. And oh my gosh, and I am really loving this next item that I'm about to show you. They had 4 different colors. These are kind of like envelopes. This is like a lavender with pink. This is a mint green. And And then this is the pink, which looks very similar to the lavender, but you can see the two colors right there. And then they also had a blue one, but I didn't care for the blue one. But what this is, I think I like these to send them out in Happy Mail. Let me show you what that looks like. So it's kind of like a folder, and it has two pockets. You can see a pocket here, pocket in the back, and then the center part has like a zip, like this zipper, and then you can just send that out with like ephemera or something flat, obviously, or even like a slim card, like a long slim card. It would have to be flat. I think I really liked it. And you can just dress up the front, decorate it however you like, and I really liked this. And that is pretty much everything that I got from Daiso. Now let me show you my really quick haul from Micheals. Okay, so I went to my local Micheals, and I went for one thing, and it's that acetate paper that everyone is buying for $3. I think regular price is $12.99, and it's on clearance. But I also found this, which I think would be nice just to add a nice layer to your slimline cards. It is a really nice size. As you can see, it is the 3 3/4 by 8.8, or you can use those long dies. It's just convenient because it's already cut. And these were only $2. These were the only two colors that they had on clearance. $2 each. Regular price, I think it's $5.99, I believe. And then just these boxes to alter they also had them on clearance. I don't remember the regular price, but I think I got them for $3. And then the acetate paper. So this is the acetate paper that they have on clearance. You can see right there that the regular price is $12.99 and they have it for $3. This acetate has no brand, but they didn't have it where it was supposed to. Instead, they had this one. And the slot next to this one, which is by We Are Memory Keepers, was supposed to be this one, but they didn't have it there. And this one is for $5. This is by American Crafts. Yeah, it's by American Crafts, and its brand is We Are Memory Keepers. I ended up buying both because I thought, well, this has to be a much less quality. It's probably thinner because it is $3, and this one they have it in clearance for $5. And I am going to be honest with you, I did open it up already. I believe that this one for $3 is thicker than the We Are Memory Keepers. So the packaging doesn't tell you the thickness. I believe it doesn't tell you the thickness. I'm trying to read it. I don't think so. To be honest with you, I've looked everywhere for the thickness. Now that I took this one out, which is from the one that has no name brand, it feels thicker, but at the same time, I think there's a film that's protecting it. I don't know if you can tell, but it has, you see it right there, how it has, there's like it looks like if it has a slit on the top. And I'm assuming that's where you're supposed to, because it doesn't look super clear. It looks a little bit opaque compared to the We Are Memory Keepers. Oh yeah, there's definitely a difference. Let me see. I'm pretty sure that in video you can't see the difference, but in person you can, you guys. The We Are Memory Keepers looks a lot, it's very crystal clear, and the thickness is not too bad. And the one from Micheals, which is the one, I got both of them from Micheals, but it has no brand, no nothing. It feels thicker, but I don't know if it's a film, to be honest with you. I tried to take it apart, but I'm having a hard time. So I don't know, because it does look just a bit opaque. I know you cannot tell on camera, but I mean, I'm looking at it in person and it does look just a bit opaque compared to the We Are Memory Keeper. So if that doesn't bother you, then I say go with the one with the $3 one. which is this one. Hey guys, so I just wanted to jump in here really quickly and let you know, give you an update on the acetate sheets. So the sheets, the $3 ones from Michaels, which I said they felt like they were just a tiny bit thicker than the We Are Memory Keepers. And I also said that it had a kind of like opaque color compared to the other ones where they were crystal clear, where it turns out that it does have a protective film which is super thin, and after you take off that film it looks just like the other ones. So that's all I wanted to let you guys all know, in case you were wondering. Here are what the two packages look like. So this is the $3 one from Michaels. And then this is the one from We Are Memory Keepers. So I'm pretty sure both of them will give you the same result, but I don't know. I feel like the one from Michaels is a tiny bit. I feel that the one with the no brand name is a tiny bit thicker, but not much of a difference, to be honest with you. Let me know what else have you found that it's a really good deal. I have not been able to find anything at Hobby Lobby. My Hobby Lobby doesn't have anything on clearance yet, and I have seen some posts from a lot of you who have gotten these awesome deals. Ebony tagged me on one of them who was sharing more, and I was so jealous. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait till they start their clearance on mine. I did go on Saturday. There was nothing. I went today. There was nothing. So let's see what happens. It's just a matter of time. Usually in my area they take longer to clearance things out. Also at Michaels, their hot buy paper is buy one get two free. I don't know what's going on with Michaels. I was very disappointed, to be honest with you, because there's not much to buy. Even I'm like, I mean, in a way, I guess I don't have to spend much money, but the shelves are very empty, you guys. And for them to have buy one get two free, that's crazy. Let me know if you found any other good deals that I should look out for. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.